Thank you very much for coming to my page. I've just released a new book, The Igbo Phenomenon, Secret of Enduring Wealth of a People. This book is based on the success story of the Igbo people of Nigeria, who between 1967 and 1970 fought a disastrous civil war with the federal government of Nigeria, which they lost. At the end of the war, the government of Gowon, General Yakub Gowon, who was the head of state or the head of government, at the end of that war, declared that there are no winner, no vanquished. But their policies spoke otherwise. Because at the end of the war, the Igbos were given only 20 pounds out of whatever amount they have in the bank. If you have 100,000 pounds, you're only entitled to 20 pounds. If you have 1 million pounds, you're only entitled to 20 pounds. Yet the Igbos have been able to rise above this apparent economic strangulation and have risen to the position where it is believed that they control several sectors of Nigerian economy, the banking sector, the real estate sector, and several other sectors in the country. How did they do it? What were their secrets? What did they do differently? That today they are classified among the wealthiest communities in Africa. What can other communities learn from them? What can other individuals learn from them? What can other ethnic communities learn from them? In a world we live where people are fighting to extricate themselves from poverty, what is it that the Igbos have done that others need to learn? These are contained in the secrets in this book. This book is highly recommended for you. It's recommended for schools, for entrepreneurs, students of development studies, anybody who wants self-improvement need to grab a copy of this book. The book is on you can get it on ebook, paperback, and hardcover all over the world. It is a book that should be of interest to anybody who want to improve his status, who want to be an entrepreneur, who want to succeed in business, and who want to succeed in any area of his life. There are things to learn from them, from the Igbos. And this also is almost parallel to some of the things that the Jews used to do. And when you read this book, you also see that there are some similarities between the way the Igbos do their things and the way the Jews does their things. This book should also be of interest to other struggling communities in developed countries, like African Americans, like the Caribbean Americans, and all others who are not used to owning businesses in America. That when they look at what the Igbos have done, they know that they have the capacity, that a black man has the capacity to own and run business successfully and dominate his environment business-wise. That they can do and achieve what even the Asians are doing in America and what other immigrants are doing inside America. And it also is a book that is highly recommended for African countries who have passed through civil war, who have passed through the social dislocations, to see how to build from ground zero and reach the pinnacle of entrepreneurship, of business ownership, of financial independence. This book is a book that anybody who is interested in Africa, in African development, and in the future of Africa should grab a copy. Thank you for listening. I hope that this will encourage you to pick a copy of this book, either an ebook, paperback, or hardcover. Thank you for coming to my page. I really appreciate it. God bless you.